sir, you know, procedure. I am teaching now shares and dividends. Now one another sum, another new sum. Mostly the board sums I am doing so that the board exams will be better. Now what is given question? A company with 500 shares of nominal value or new term. You have done face value. Remember that face value, nominal value, par value, same meaning. So nominal value which is 120. That is the face value one. Declares annual dividend of 15%. So what is given that I have to write here? Nominal value. Nominal value what is 120. And rate of dividend what is student? 15%. 120. Nominal value and face value same meaning. Rate of dividend what is? 15%. So these two things are given. We have to start with the sums. Then whatever extra thing is given, that you have to see. Now, what is given first? The total amount of dividend paid by the company. Total amount of dividend paid by the company. But total amount of dividend paid by the company, so one number of shares is required. So that is also given in the question. So in how many shares are there? That is number of shares is 500. Okay. So number one part is given total amount of dividend. Total dividend. Already I told you, total dividend, annual income have same meaning. Okay. Dividend, what is the formula? Rate of dividend by 100 into A into A. This is the formula. Okay. This formula you have to remember. Okay. Now you have to put the values 15 by 100 into A and A. What is 500? What is the face value? 120. Cancel it. Now this to multiply. What is coming? 15, 5 plus 75, or this is multiply better. 12, 5 plus 60. 60 and 1 0, but 600 is there. So 15 into 600. 15 9 is 90, or into the 20. So what is your annual income is 9,000 rupees. Okay, children. Your annual income or dividend, total dividend, equal to rupees 9,000. I think first part you are clear. If you understand, then you can do all the sums. Not hard. So total dividend what is rupees 9,000 I have got. Now next dividend. Okay. Now next part, annual income of Mr. Sharma, who holds 80 shares. Annual income is not this one. They told one another person is there. He is holding only 80 shares. Only 80 shares. Then what is his annual income? That you have to find. Not 500 shares, 80 shares. So second part I have to do here. Annual income, that is dividend. Annual income of Mr. Sharma. Sharma we are finding. Okay? So he is holding. So everything is same. Rate of dividend by 100 into A into face value. Only difference is that he is having only 80 shares. Here value of A is changed. Here A what is given children? 80. So we have to use this one to find out. Okay. So rate of dividend is same, 50%. A is 80 and face value is 120. This is cancelled. This is cancelled. So 15 and 12. And this 15 8 what is student? 120 into 12. So these two multiply. 12 12 is 1440 and it is 1440. So for Mr. Sharma, his annual income is 1440. Okay. So when a particular person is there, he is holding 80 shares. What is his annual income? That we have to find out. Okay. Now see 1440. He has to get the as annual income. Okay, so these two parts you are clear. Okay, so little sum is changing, concept is same. Now third part what they are saying, if the rate of percentage of Mr. Sharma from his shares, means this sum is related not with this sum is related with Mr. Sharma. Okay, so that you don't confuse, don't take 500 there. So Mr. Sharma or his from his shares is 10%. So Mr. Sharma is saying my rate of return is 10%. Company is saying I am giving you 50%. His rate of return is less. That means of course market value is more than 120. That is why his return is less. If return is same, So face value, truck value is same. His return is more. That means he is getting shares at discount. Okay, but his income rate on investment is less. That means actually value of share is more. So in the third part we have to do, I have to wrap all these things, and because no place is there. So remember what is income? 1440. That you remember all of you. Now see, the third part, what to find the number of shares. So don't bother about number of shares. You know rate of return, ROI formula you know. What is ROI? Rate of return. I am teaching you in a simple manner. I am not doing confused this way, that way. I can solve it. I have no problem. But you are confused. So I am going in such a simple way so that you can understand well. I am not doing in a different ways. I will teach you once I can do in 10 days. After this way do, that way do, this way do. Then what happened to you? You do not, you also can do in different ways. When your concept is clear, you have done a lot of sums, then you can do easily. So rate of return, what is? Annual income by investment into 100. 100 I can write this. Okay. Now rate of return is this. Okay. 100 is in there. Rate of return is coming. So rate of return what is given by 1 year? 10%. So don't write here also 100 because this 100 is there. Okay. So rate of return, if you calculate this, your answer will come in percentage. 10%. That is 10%. 100 is there. So don't write 100. What is annual income? 1440. Okay, children. 1440. And investment directly it is not given. Investment means what? N into what is market value? N into MB into 100. You have to understand. Whatever things I have done, you have to understand this. Annual income of Mr. Sharma is 1440. You are clear this? Here 10%. You can say, sir, 10% is given. Why don't you write by 100? 100 written here. You bring this from this side. If you write here also write, that is not correct. Here 10, because once we calculate this answer coming in percentage, 10%. A percent is cancelled by 100. Okay. Now here MB, this is unknown figure. And MB already I know. He bought how many shares he did? He bought 80 shares. Only MB. So this 100 I am bringing here. This 100 I am bringing here. Now this you have to solve it. Easily you can find out the answer. 1 0 cancel. What is 1 by 10 is there? Here 1 0 cancel. Okay. Now what is left? 1 by 10 into this. Now I have to rub this also. Just you have to solve. Solve you have to know very well. Calculation you cannot do the how many sums. Now you have to cut here by 8. 8 1 8, 6, 8, 18 coming. Okay. So now 1 by 10 equal to 18 by MB. So MB equal to what is 18 to 10, 180. That means his market value is 180. That means Mr. Sharma has bought the share for rupees 180. Okay, children. Now find the MB of each share. Therefore, answer I can write. I am writing in different places. Can you understand that? MB of each share is share equal to rupees 180. Understand? So this is your answer. I think you are clear these sums. This is a different parts, different way given. One person also included in the sums. So I think you are clear from the beginning to here. Okay. So please practice again and again. I am saying practice required. By doing 1, 2, 3 sums, you are not genius. To become a genius, you have to do a lot of sums so that you can understand why reading. Because in the board exam, not a time. Every limited time, 3 hours here, 3 hours, I think exactly 2.5 hours, whatever is there. Timing 2 hours, I think, 80 marks. So whatever timing is given, that I have to see. So that you have to remember, accordingly you have to do. So you practice very well there, time will not waste. Okay, once you practice many times, no, there no time, extra time is there. You have to finish very fast to get full marks. Okay, children, so all of practice very well. You have to come for next video. Okay, bye children.